Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can share your videos from CapCut on WhatsApp, for example, to send them to your friends and contacts. So let's get started. So what you want to do first, guys, is launch the CapCut application on your mobile device. And here on your home screen, select the video project you would like to share through WhatsApp. So I'm going to use in that one here. So tap on it. And after that, tap on export here in the top right corner. Wait for the exporting to be finished. It may or may not take a moment, of course, so I'll see you guys just in a moment. And once the exporting has been finished, you will be ready to share your video, for example, through WhatsApp. Usually you should see the WhatsApp icon here at the bottom. For example, to share it via WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp here. That is going to open up WhatsApp on your mobile device, just like that. And in the following, WhatsApp will ask you whether you'd like to use your video, for example, as your status video, or if you'd like to send it to a specific contact. So if you'd like to do that, simply select the contact from that list below, from your friend list, and send the video to the given contact with one tap. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.